You're on camera. So one thing that I like to do tag it with is with a stick. So she just touches her nose to the end of the stick. Tag it. Tag it. Good. Tag it. Good girl. And you can also do it with your hand. Touch. Touch. Good. And so now, we haven't done it with the Frisbee, so I'm going to try and teach her that on the Frisbee, just to show you how to teach it. So you just kind of wait until she gets curious and touches it with her nose, and then click the instant that she does it. And she's already getting the hang of it. So when she starts doing a little bit more lively, you can add a name to it, like Frisbee. Good. Frisbee. Good. Frisbee. Good. And then you can add a little bit of distance. Frisbee. Good girl. And that is how you teach target. Good girl! What a good girl!